Welcome to my channel. This video part 7. You can check the channel for part 6. Don't forget to subscribe. Emotion.
Emotion.
She expressed her emotion through a heartfelt poem.
Emotion.
Fee.
Fee.
The entrance fee to the museum is quite reasonable.
Fee.
Walk up.
Walk up.
Let's walk up to the top of the hill and enjoy the view.
Walk up.
Rescue.
Rescue.
The firefighters worked quickly to rescue the trapped cat.
Rescue.
Diet.
Diet.
She started a new diet to improve her health.
Diet.
Wind.
Wind.
The strong wind blew the leaves off the trees.
Wind.
Saving.
Saving.
The saving of energy is crucial for a sustainable future.
Saving.
Empire.
Empire.
The ancient empire once ruled over vast territories.
Empire.
Bury.
Bury.
They decided to bury the treasure in a secret location.
Bury.
Burst out.
Burst out.
She burst out laughing at the comedian's joke.
Burst out.
Amount to.
Amount to.
The total expenses amount to over $1,000.
Amount to.
Wonder.
Wonder.
I often wonder about the mysteries of the universe.
Wonder.
Permanent.
Permanent.
The ink from the marker left a permanent stain on the fabric.
Permanent.
Duty.
Duty.
It's your duty to report any suspicious activity.
Duty.
Begin.
Begin.
Let's begin the presentation with an overview of the topic.
Begin.
Art.
Art.
Painting and sculpture are forms of visual art.
Art.
Surrounding.
Surrounding.
The beautiful mountains are part of the surrounding landscape.
Surrounding.
Thorough.
Thorough.
He conducted a thorough analysis of the data.
Thorough.
Naked.
Naked.
The newborn baby was placed on the soft blanket, naked and warm.
Naked.
Rob.
Rob.
The masked thief attempted to rob the bank.
Rob.
Bedroom.
Bedroom.
The bedroom is furnished with a comfortable bed and dressers.
Bedroom.
Leg.
Leg.
She stretched her leg before starting the race.
Leg.
Suffer.
Suffer.
He continued to suffer from a persistent cough.
Suffer.
Analysis.
Analysis.
The detailed analysis revealed important insights.
Analysis.
Close.
Close.
Please close the door when you leave the room.
Close.
Unhappy.
Unhappy.
She felt unhappy about the way things were going.
Unhappy.
Phrase.
Phrase.
The wise old phrase holds true: actions speak louder than words.
Phrase.
Exist.
Exist.
Many species of animals exist in the rainforest.
Exist.
Runner.
Runner.
The fast runner easily won the race.
Runner.
Urge.
Urge.
I have a strong urge to explore new places.
Urge.
Get by.
Get by.
Despite the challenges, he managed to get by.
Get by.
Steam.
Steam.
The steam from the kettle warmed the kitchen.
Steam.
Worship.
Worship.
People gathered to worship at the temple.
Worship.
CD.
CD.
He bought the latest music CD from his favorite band.
CD.
Fence.
Fence.
The white picket fence added charm to the cottage.
Fence.
Debate.
Debate.
The candidates engaged in a heated debate.
Debate.
Formally.
Formally.
The contract was formally signed by both parties.
Formally.
Risk.
Risk.
Investing in stocks involves a certain level of risk.
Risk.
Bottom.
Bottom.
The treasure chest was hidden at the bottom of the ocean.
Bottom.
Turn to.
Turn to.
When in doubt, you can always turn to a trusted friend for advice.
Turn to.
Document.
Document.
Please review the document and provide your feedback.
Document.
Problem.
Problem.
Solving complex problems requires critical thinking.
Problem.
Actress.
Actress.
The talented actress received a standing ovation for her performance.
Actress.
Display.
Display.
The art gallery featured a stunning display of sculptures.
Display.
Moment.
Moment.
The captured moment in the photograph was filled with joy.
Moment.
Related.
Related.
The two topics are closely related and often studied together.
Related.
No.
No.
I'm sorry, the answer is no.
No.
Constant.
Constant.
The constant noise outside made it difficult to concentrate.
Constant.
Meet.
Meet.
Let's meet at the cafe for coffee this afternoon.
Meet.
Punch.
Punch.
He threw a powerful punch that knocked his opponent down.
Punch.
Divide.
Divide.
The river divided the city into two distinct neighborhoods.
Divide.
Follow.
Follow.
It's important to follow the instructions carefully.
Follow.
Decide on.
Decide on.
Have you decided on a destination for your vacation?
Decide on.
Partly.
Partly.
The sky was partly cloudy with patches of blue.
partly,
Lord.
Lord,
The lord of the manor invited us for afternoon tea.
Lord,
Tend.
tend,
He tends to exaggerate his stories to make them more interesting.
tend,
Value.
value,
Honesty and integrity are values that are highly regarded.
value,
Controlled.
controlled,
The experiment was carefully controlled to ensure accurate results.
controlled,
Purpose.
purpose,
The purpose of the meeting is to discuss the new project.
purpose,
Attached.
attached,
The document is attached to the email for your reference.
attached,
Upside down.
upside down,
The overturned vase lay upside down on the table.
upside down,
Universe.
universe,
The vast universe is filled with countless stars and galaxies.
universe,
Tax.
tax,
The government imposed a new tax on luxury goods.
tax,
Better.
better,
I hope you feel better soon.
better,
Commonly.
commonly,
It is commonly known that exercise promotes good health.
commonly,
End.
end,
The movie had a surprising twist at the end.
end,
Interval.
interval,
She took a short break during the interval of the concert.
interval,
Stick out.
stick out,
The colorful flowers stick out among the green leaves.
stick out,
Everything.
everything,
She packed everything she needed for the trip.
everything,
Studio.
studio,
The artist worked in a cozy studio filled with natural light.
studio,
Protect.
protect,
It's important to protect your skin from the sun's harmful rays.
protect,
Morally.
morally,
The decision was not only legally sound, but also morally just.
morally,
Negative.
negative,
The negative reviews discouraged many potential customers.
negative,
Pocket.
pocket,
He reached into his pocket and pulled out his wallet.
pocket,
Weigh.
weigh,
Can you weigh this package to determine its shipping cost?
weigh,
Come across.
come across,
I came across an interesting article in the newspaper.
come across,
Box.
box,
She received a beautifully wrapped box for her birthday.
box,
Upon.
upon,
Upon arriving at the airport, we were greeted by a warm breeze.
upon,
Quickly.
quickly,
She quickly finished her homework and joined her friends.
quickly,
Coat.
coat,
He put on his warm coat before heading outside.
coat,
Shout.
shout,
The coach shouted instructions to the players on the field.
Shout.
Now.
Now.
Right now, I'm busy with work.
Now.
Lorry.
Lorry.
The accident was clearly the lorry driver's fault.
Lorry.
Date.
Date.
Do you have a date for the upcoming event?
Date.
Supporter.
Supporter.
He's been a dedicated supporter of the team for years.
Supporter.
Bitter.
Bitter.
The bitter taste of the medicine made her grimace.
Bitter.
Physically.
Physically.
She's physically fit and enjoys regular exercise.
Physically.
Sincerely.
Sincerely.
Sincerely, John Smith.
Sincerely.
Fasten.
Fasten.
Make sure to fasten your seatbelt before takeoff.
Fasten.
Add.
Add.
You can add a pinch of salt to enhance the flavor.
Add.
Call off.
Call off.
Due to the rain, they had to call off the outdoor event.
Call off.
Disapproving.
Disapproving.
She gave him a disapproving look for his rude behavior.
Disapproving.
Calculation.
Calculation.
The complex calculation required careful analysis.
Calculation.
Relation.
Relation.
The two paintings share a close relation in terms of style.
Relation.
Moon.
Moon.
The full moon illuminated the night sky.
Moon.
Pub.
Pub.
Let's meet at the local pub for a drink after work.
Pub.
Stick to.
Stick to.
It's important to stick to your goals and remain focused.
Stick to.
Computer.
Computer.
I use my computer for work and entertainment.
Computer.
Well.
Well.
The water in the well is crystal clear.
Well.
Non.
Non.
The nonprofit organization focuses on helping the community.
Non.
Thank you for watching.